If you're a PlayStation 4, PS4 owner, you've probably faced the dilemma of running out of USB ports. Between charging controllers, connecting external hard drives, headsets, and other accessories, the 2 USB ports on the front of your PS4 just aren't enough. This is where USB hubs come into play. A USB hub allows you to expand the number of available ports and seamlessly connect multiple devices. Number 1. Orico USB Hub for Port USB 3.0 Hub for PS4. The Orico for Port USB 3.0 Hub is a sleek, compact hub designed to give you maximum connectivity for your PS4. It features for USB 3.0 ports that ensure faster data transfer rates and efficient power distribution, making it a great choice for gamers who want to attach multiple peripherals without any lag. With its plug-and-play functionality, you won't need to install any drivers, which makes it perfect for quick, hassle-free use. The hub's compact design makes it a great addition to your gaming setup without taking up too much space, and the durable construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of long gaming sessions. The Orico hub is not just functional but stylish, with a minimalistic design that complements the PS4. It can easily sit next to your console without looking out of place. For those who enjoy using external hard drives, extra controllers, and headsets while gaming, this hub provides all the necessary ports while maintaining fast data transfer speeds. This makes it a great solution for PS4 gamers who need more than just the standard 2 USB ports. Key features: for USB 3.0 ports for faster data transfer speeds, up to 5 gigabits per second. Plug-and-play design means no need for extra software or drivers. Backward compatibility with USB 2.0 and USB 1.1 devices. Compact and durable, with a sleek design that matches your PS4. Efficient power management for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Number 2. Anker for Port USB 3.0 Hub. The Anker for Port USB 3.0 Hub is another excellent choice for PS4 gamers who need extra connectivity options. This hub boasts a simple yet highly functional design that allows you to connect up to 4 USB devices simultaneously. Whether you're using a gaming mouse, a headset, or an external hard drive, this hub ensures that your devices are powered and running smoothly. Anker, a well-known brand in the tech accessories space, is famous for its reliable products, and this USB hub is no exception. The hub provides rapid data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, making it ideal for PS4 users who want to quickly transfer files from external storage devices to their consoles. Its compact size makes it easy to position next to your gaming setup, and its plug-and-play functionality means that you won't need to worry about complicated installation processes. Key features: for USB 3.0 ports that offer data transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second. Compact, durable design perfect for PS4 setups. Built-in surge protection to prevent electrical damage. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including USB 2.0 and 1.1. Easy plug-and-play setup without any need for drivers. Number 3. Ugreen USB 3.0 Hub with Ethernet Adapter. For PS4 gamers looking for a bit more versatility, the Ugreen USB 3.0 Hub with an Ethernet adapter is a great option. Not only does it expand your USB capabilities with 3 additional USB 3.0 ports, but it also provides a gigabit Ethernet port for those who prefer a wired internet connection for faster and more reliable gaming. This is particularly useful for gamers who experience network lag or connectivity issues while playing online games. With its ability to transfer data at speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second through its USB 3.0 ports, and provide a wired internet connection through the Ethernet port, the Ugreen Hub is perfect for gamers who demand high performance and reliability. The hub's sleek design fits well with any PS4 setup, and the solid construction ensures it will last through many intense gaming sessions. Key features: 3 USB 3.0 ports with transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. Gigabit Ethernet port for wired internet connections. Plug-and-play functionality with no need for additional drivers. Compact and portable design that complements any gaming setup. Overvoltage protection for added safety when charging devices. Number 4. Sabrent for Port USB 3.0 Hub. The Sabrent for Port USB 3.0 hub is designed to provide ample connectivity options without compromising on speed or quality. Featuring 4 USB 3.0 ports, it allows PS4 gamers to connect all their accessories simultaneously, whether they're external hard drives, headsets, or game controllers. The hub is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around and position as needed. The slim design ensures that it won't clutter your gaming area, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. This hub also includes an LED indicator for each port, letting you know when a device is successfully connected. Whether you're transferring large files or simply charging your accessories, the Sabrent hub offers fast data transfer rates and stable connections, making it an ideal companion for your PS4 setup. Key features: for USB 3.0 ports with transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. LED indicators for each port, making it easy to see which devices are connected. Compact, lightweight design for easy portability. Plug and play with no need for additional software or drivers. Backward compatible with USB 2.0 and USB 1.1. Number 5. Atolla 7-port USB hub with power adapter. If you're looking for an even greater number of USB ports, the Atolla 7-port USB hub is a perfect choice for your PS4. With 7 USB 3.0 ports and an included power adapter, this hub is designed to support multiple devices that require high power consumption, such as external hard drives or multiple charging controllers. Each of the 7 ports comes with its own power switch, giving you control over which devices are powered at any given time. This feature helps you manage energy consumption and extend the lifespan of your connected accessories. The Atolla hub also provides fast data transfer rates of up to 5 gigabits per second, ensuring that even large file transfers are completed quickly. Its sturdy design and compact size make it a great fit for any gaming setup, providing both functionality and convenience. Key features: 7 USB 3.0 ports with individual power switches for each port. Comes with a power adapter to support high-power devices. Data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second for fast file transfers. Plug-and-play functionality without the need for additional drivers. Compact design with a durable build for long-lasting use. Conclusion: when it comes to choosing the best USB hub for your PS4, it all boils down to your specific needs. If you're simply looking to add a few extra ports, then a 4-port hub like the Orico or Anker models may suit you perfectly. For gamers who need more advanced features like an Ethernet connection or more USB ports, the Ugreen and Atolla hubs offer excellent options. Each of the hubs in this list provides solid performance, easy setup, and great value, making them all worthy choices for enhancing your PS4 gaming experience.